what's going on, everybody? I got another Munchpak, courtesy of...
Hi, I'm Amela.
So, she liked it so much, you know, the previous video that we did, that she actually ended up purchasing one. So, we're gonna crack this one open, see what's in there, and hopefully it's something real tasty. Let's check it out. Let's see who packed it. Oh, snap!
Didn't that person pack it the last time?
Francis! Thanks! Appreciate that. Francis packed it again.
Okay, let's start with this one. I'm a vegetarian, so I'm not gonna try this, but my brother loves bacon.
Oh, you know it. Actually, I'm gonna save this for Lowell Man. He loves it. He loves it a lot. So he's gonna be here later, and he's gonna try this Ruffles sour cream and bacon chips.
Does it show what country it's from?
Actually, yeah, it says it's from Canada.
Oh, Canadian.
There you go.
Friendly neighbors.
Yeah, friendly neighbors up north, eh?
Yep.
There we go. All right, now let's get into it for real. What do we have here? We have Picatos Nachos Pizza Chips from the Philippines.
Oh, Filipino.
There you go. Let's check that out.
I forgot water.
That's all right. We'll manage their little chips.
This is what they look like. When those are not
see.
done. They taste like Pringles.
Yeah,
Pizza Pringles.
Yeah, it does. Here, try
It tastes exactly like a pizza Pringle.
Yeah, I do actually. I agree. Yeah, same texture and everything.
They stole it from us. Thank you, Phil.
All right, what do we have here? We have
I don't know. That's
Moringa Otsubu Ramune candy from Japan.
my cousin. Our cousin. He was just in Japan.
Yeah, I have a cousin who's in the military that recently came back from Japan and got us a bunch of candy.
We ate it all. So.
Yeah, we did. We didn't do a video. We just ate it. So let's see what this Ramune candy is.
Are you having trouble?
I'm having trouble opening.
Do you want me?
Because I don't have nails. So you do it.
How did you do this? You always give me shit. Oh, sorry, I can't curse.
That's okay. We'll bleep that out.
For not being able to open stuff.
All right, so let's see the Ramune candy.
It's like a Mentos.
Fizzy tablet candies with Ramune soda flavor.
Did you put in water?
I guess. I don't know, whatever. It was...
I don't know, what is it? It tastes like...
It's supposed to be soda flavored.
It does taste like a soda ball.
There you go.
I don't know.
All right, now, from Pakistan, we have Biscani Kokomo biscuits. There they are. All right, let's check these biscuits out. There you go.
Oh, these look like one of the things that we get from that Asian store with the little pandas.
Oh yeah, panda.
It tastes like it too.
Mm-hmm.
Show the camera how it looks like.
Check this out.
Oh,
that was a bad one. We gotta try that. There you go.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. And next, from Canada, we have Maynard's Fuzzy Peach Candy. This looks promising. Let's see if it tastes promising.
Fuzzy peach.
Fuzzy peach. All right. It's like is that like a sour candy?
It's really chewy.
Mm-hmm. It tastes like those, you know, like those gummy peach rings that you get at the store?
But it's so like...
It tastes like that, but more chewy.
Like too chewy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's not bad.
We're gonna be chewing for like 20 minutes.
All right, and now
I'm not done chewing yet.
we have a Kit Kat from Poland. There you go. It's a salted caramel Kit Kat from Poland. All right, let's try that. Whoa, that's a big one.
Give me like.
Yeah, no, it's a lot. Did
you wash your hands?
Yeah, I did a couple days ago.
Ew.
There you go. That's the tiniest piece. Tastes different.
But it tastes like something. Like a...
It tastes like a caramel.
It has like a coffee taste.
It's not. It's salted caramel. Crunchy wafers with a layer of salted caramel covered in milk chocolate. Okay.
Not bad.
Yeah, that's alright. From Italy, we have a hazelnut roll by Balconi Rollino.
I love hazelnut, so
There
this
you
will
go.
probably be my favorite.
Alright, let's give this a whirl. Oh, it's one of those like little, check that out. It's like a little roll cake. There you go, you try it.
Dad loves these.
Yep.
This is really good, but save it for Dad because he'll.
Okay, we'll save that one.
Leon.
We have a Leon latte bar from Poland again. Awesome. Looks like Francis knows how to pack these snacks. Let's see.
We got a lot of European stuff.
Hell yeah. Whoa,
I
that's
love
cool.
white chocolate.
So do I. Ooh.
Oh wow! Show how it looks in the inside.
This is what it looks like on the inside. Look at that.
This is amazing. It's like coffee and then white chocolate.
And everything looks good.
I'm gonna finish that later.
Yeah, you can.
This is so good.
Alright. We have Morinaga Fushigina Choco Ball, Choco Banana. Well, from Japan.
Arigato. That means thank you in Japanese.
Oh, wow, you're smart. There you go. Let's see what we got here. I have trouble opening stuff, so I'm going to hand it over to her to help me out. Pretty cool. Looks like you're trying to open a pack of cigarettes.
Well, I don't smoke, so.
I don't either. So that's
Mom, no. She'll open it up in a second. Oh, here we go. Got it.
There you go. Cool. Now what? Oh, there's like two little.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
You got like, okay, let
Are
me
they
show
two
you.
different flavors?
Can't be, because, oh, this is just like the flat that you open.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And then you got little balls inside.
Oh, that's nice.
There you go.
Looks like a yellow M&M. Tastes like banana.
Yeah, tastes like a, yeah, it does.
It's like a banana ball.
Banana chocolate ball. All right. And to finish this off, we have, oh, again, Yuki and Love, Sinkuli Grains Bar Egg Yolk. This one is from Taiwan. All right.
I hate eggs, so we'll see if I like this. I'm a
Let's
very
see.
picky eater.
Yep, let's see this. It's interesting texture here. I don't know. Trying to break it, and there you go. Small as I was able to get it. Oof. Has a filling.
I have no idea what this tastes like.
So it's got this little filling in here. Is this the egg yolk filling? Or it's, oh, crispy cookie bar flavored.
It's interesting. Not bad.
It's not bad, it's just different. Like I've never had it before. And well, that's why we get the snacks. To try, you know, everything we got, you know, from different countries. We got quite a bit of variety here.
We did a lot of Europe.
Yeah, quite a bit of Europe, some Canada, and some Japan, which is cool.
Yeah.
So I really like this, and you know, look forward to more of these boxes. So we'll definitely have a few more coming up, and that's basically it. Unless you have something to say.
No, this is my first time doing this, and I'm a very picky eater, but I was like, I'll try it, and everything was good. I can't wait to finish that white chocolate coffee thing.
Yep, I bet it looks delicious, and all these snacks. And thanks again to Munchpak for sending this out very quickly. I do appreciate that.
Sit down.
Yep. So on that note, we're gonna end this video, and as usual, make sure you like and subscribe.
On the bottom.
Yep, down there, hit that bell notification. If you haven't, you're missing out. And that's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take
Bye.
care.